Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to block ads in your Chrome browser. Let's get into the video. So, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to click on this three dot here. Once you're there, you click on settings. So, after which you simply click on what? Security. After that, you click on add policies. So guys, we'll start by clicking on add topics. You click on it. So all we simply need to do is that we simply need to disable this. Once you are done disabling it, you are going to see down here as browser whether an ad you see is personalized depending on the settings. So we are simply going to click on what? Site suggested ads. We'll click on it. So we simply need to disable this also. After which we simply need to click on what? Cookies settings. Click on it. So guys, we simply need to disable this. That is, we are going to choose block third-party cookies. Once you are done with that, you simply come back here and you click on what? Ads measurement. You can actually see it is already turned off because I already did that, but in your own case it might be like this. So all you simply need to do is that you simply need to disable it also. So guys, once you are done with that, all the ads pop-up will no longer show on your Chrome browser anymore. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial. Peace out.